Listen to me. For years I have sat here and told you the rules of money. I have told you how to save, how to invest, and how to protect yourself and your family. But the world is changing, and it is changing faster than ever before. A powerful new force is rewriting the rulebook, and you need to pay attention. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. This is not science fiction. This is real. It is here today, shaking the very foundations of Wall Street, and how we think about building wealth. You can either get on this train or get left at the station, and I know which one I want for you. You cannot afford to stick your head in the sand on this one. Are you ready? Good. Let's get started. Let's get real. Alright, let's break this down. When you hear artificial intelligence, you might think of robots taking over the world. Stop right there. That is not what we are talking about. In the world of finance, AI is simply a very, very smart computer program. Think of it like the smartest research assistant you could ever imagine. It's a tool that can read, learn, and make predictions based on massive amounts of information. It can read every news article, every company report, every market trend, every social media post about a company in the blink of an eye. Can you do that? Of course not. Nobody can. Let me make it even simpler. Do you use a navigation app on your phone? That app uses AI. It looks at traffic reports, road closures, and accidents to find the fastest route. It is constantly analyzing data to help you make a better decision. AI in investing works the same way. It looks at stock prices, company earnings, economic news, and helps you find the best path toward your financial goals. It is a guide, a co-pilot for your money. So, you are probably thinking, okay, I get it, but how does this actually help me, a regular person, with my money? I am so glad you asked. The truth is, AI is already working for many of you. Have you ever heard of a robo-advisor? These are online platforms that use algorithms to build and manage an investment portfolio for you. You answer a few questions about age, your financial goals, how much risk you are comfortable with, and the robo-advisor does the rest. It is a simple, low-cost way to get a diversified portfolio without needing a human financial advisor. There are now AI-powered platforms that act like a stock-picking genius in your pocket. These tools scan the entire market, analyzing thousands of stocks at once. They look at things like a company's financial health, its leadership, how much debt it has, and overall market sentiment. Then they score and present the stocks with the highest probability of success. It's like having a team of Wall Street analysts working just for you, helping you find hidden gems before everyone else jumps on the bandwagon. This is no longer just for hedge fund billionaires. This power is now available to you. Another powerful way AI is helping is through data analysis. The sheer amount of financial news and information out there is overwhelming. No human could possibly keep up. AI can. It can read thousands of news articles, earnings call transcripts, social media posts in minutes. This is called sentiment analysis, and it can give you a huge edge. Now let's have a frank conversation. Is an AI smarter than a human when it comes to investing? In some ways, absolutely yes, and in other ways, absolutely not. You have to understand the strengths and weaknesses of both. A machine's greatest strength is its ability to process data without emotion or bias. An AI can analyze millions of data points from decades of market history in the time it takes you to sip your coffee. It can see microscopic patterns and correlations invisible to the human eye. It never gets tired. Its discipline is absolute. A human investor is a messy bundle of emotions: fear, greed. These emotions cause big money mistakes. Fear makes you sell at the bottom. Greed makes you buy at the top. An AI would never skip due diligence. It analyzes fundamentals, market conditions, and historical data. This is the machine's superpower, pure logic. However, humans have a superpower: understanding context, intuition, creativity, long-term vision. The winning strategy is not human versus machine. It's human plus machine. Be the CEO of your money. Let the AI be your chief financial officer. Use its screening power and use your judgment to make the final call. Avoid emotional traps. Use the facts. Use your wisdom. As AI becomes more integrated into the financial world, the skills required to succeed are going to change. This is true whether you are a professional investor or just managing your own retirement account. The days of picking stocks by hunch are over. You need to evolve. The most important new skill is digital literacy. It doesn't mean you must code. It means being comfortable using new technologies, reading dashboards, and asking the right questions of AI. Learn to navigate an investment app. Learn to read a data dashboard. Another key skill is critical thinking. You cannot blindly trust what the AI tells you. When an AI recommends a stock, ask why. What data is this based on? What are the assumptions? Is it aligned with your goals and risk tolerance? The AI is a tool. You are in charge. Understanding basic data analysis is valuable. You don't need to be a data scientist. Know the difference between correlation and causation. Know what a PE ratio is and why it matters. Have a basic grasp of how models are trained on historical data. The more you understand, the more confident you'll be. Finally, emotional discipline will be more crucial than ever. AI may send multiple alerts a day. Your job is to remain calm and stick to your long-term plan. Use AI as information, not a source of panic. Patience plus technology wins. Now I need you to listen to me very carefully. While AI offers incredible promise, it also comes with very real risks. You must go into this with your eyes wide open. The first and biggest danger is algorithmic bias. An AI learns from the data it is given. If that data contains biases, the AI will learn and amplify them. For example, if past data favored male CEOs, the AI might favor men-led companies. The second red flag is over-reliance on technology. Fancy charts can tempt you to hand over decisions. This is a huge mistake. Technology can fail. Models can be wrong. A black swan event may be outside the AI's training data. If you are blindly following the AI, you could be led off a cliff. You must always remember that you are the pilot. The AI is the autopilot. You have to be ready to take back the controls at any moment. Another risk is complexity and lack of transparency. The black box problem. Some models are so complex even creators don't fully understand their conclusions. The AI might give an answer but not explain why. That is dangerous. If you don't understand why you are investing, you are gambling, not investing. Seek AI tools that prioritize transparency and explain recommendations simply. If you don't understand it, don't invest in it, period. Finally, there is the risk of data security. Many tools require linking sensitive accounts. You are trusting companies with your data. You must do your homework. Only use reputable companies with strong security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Be a warrior for your own security. Let's talk about how you can actually start using these tools in a smart, safe way. You do not need to jump into the deep end. You can start small. My advice is to begin with a robo-advisor, Wealthfront, Betterment, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Open an account with a small amount of money. The AI will build you a globally diversified, low-cost portfolio based on your goals. Set it and forget it. Automatic recurring investments are key to consistent wealth building. Once comfortable, try a free AI-powered stock screener as a research tool. Use it to learn. Don't invest solely on suggestions at first. If AI suggests a stock, do your own homework. Read the annual report. See what analysts are saying. Compare the AI suggestion with your research. Think of AI like training wheels. It finds ideas. You make the decision. Use budgeting apps like Mint or Personal Capital to free up cash to invest. Mint Personal Capital. These apps use AI to analyze spending and find savings. Know where your money goes to free up cash for investing. Finally, become a student of this topic. Listen to podcasts, read reputable news, and watch explainer videos. Get a variety of opinions. Aim to be a little smarter each week. Small, consistent steps lead to massive success. You can do this. Start now. Start small. Building a strong financial future is not about one single brilliant move. It is not about finding that one magic stock that will make you a millionaire overnight. That is a fantasy. Building real wealth is like building a fortress, one stone at a time. You do it methodically and with a plan. AI can help you lay those stones faster and more accurately. But you are still the architect. You design the fortress and oversee its construction. AI is your power tool, not your replacement. Your first stone is your financial plan. Know what you are building for. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment, or your children's education? Your goals determine your strategy. An AI can help you model scenarios. What if you invest $500 versus $700 a month? It can run the numbers, but it can't tell you what your dreams are. You must define the why before using the how. The next stones are consistency and diversification. A good robo-advisor builds a diversified portfolio across asset classes and regions. It will automatically rebalance and allow recurring investments. Put your plan on autopilot. Diversification is the single most important thing you can do to reduce risk. AI makes the process effortless and takes emotion out of diversification. But the mortar that holds it together is your knowledge and discipline. Commit to regular check-ins. Once or twice a year, review your plan. Are your goals the same? Is your risk tolerance unchanged? Technology makes things easier, but it does not remove your responsibility. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and stick to your long-term vision. That is how you build a financial fortress that can withstand any storm. Here's the bottom line, the world of money is changing. You can either change with it or be left behind. Artificial intelligence is not a trend. It is the new reality. It is a tool of immense power. Make smarter decisions, avoid emotional mistakes, build wealth more efficiently. For the first time, the same sophisticated tools used by big players are now available to you on your phone and computer. This is an incredible opportunity. Seize it with both hands, but you must be a warrior. Strong, smart, secure. My advice is simple. Start now. Start small. Open a robo-advisor account, play with a stock screener, use a budgeting app, take one small, manageable step today to bring AI into your financial life. Your future self will thank you. Do not be afraid of the technology. Be empowered by it. Learn about it. Question it. Use the tools. But always trust your own judgment above all else. Take control. Use the technology wisely. Build the financial future you deserve. Start now. Protect your data. Keep learning. Be the warrior for your money. That is a plan. 100% approved.